So I'm Sara Hughes. I'm the co-president of the NKU Design Guild, which has recently been revived after a pretty long lull. It seems like some people maybe lost touch with that. So we have gatherings that are designed to help engage students with their learning. So on top of the studio tours that we have, which kind of help to integrate the knowledge that we've gotten into maybe a job that we would have later, we're also doing networking events, social events, and some general fun.
My name is Jade Thrasher. I'm co-president of the Design Guild. We meet in 307 bi-weekly, and during that bi-week we have 2 meetings. We do Wednesdays at 4:45 till 5:30, and then we also have a Friday meeting from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. The Guild is necessary because as artists, a lot of times we find ourselves isolated. A lot of times we find ourselves in a studio for 4 to 8 hours at a time, just drilling away at something. And it's really gratifying personally, but at the end of the day, if you don't have any connection to community or other people, you're just by yourself and you're lonely. And that's not really how human interaction or human psyches work. We need to make sure that we're together and that we are understanding and communicating. And I know that myself and several others often find ourselves being our most creative when we can feed off of each other. And so that kind of creates this balance between that studio time where we're isolated and by ourselves and the ability to communicate and be with other people and develop ourselves creatively, but in a group setting.
The tours of the different studios around the area, I'm taking on more of the social aspect, so planning things that are networking events, just fun things to do to get involved. I feel like it's really important to bring that part into the education. We do spend a lot of time in the classroom, but there's so much going on in our city. It's super important to know who the creatives are around the area, super important to know ways in which you can get involved, and just things that are happening literally every single day. So on our Facebook page, we post things that might be going on that we'll sponsor, and we also allow for our members to go out and get involved in something and bring some of that info back into the club. So that just gives us an opportunity to get our hands dirty and actually see what life as a designer, as a local artist might be like.